everyone, and welcome back. My name is Tyva, and if you're new here, first and foremost, welcome. I'm actually showing my community how to create their first digital product. Please check the description box below this video for more information, or you can actually see all of the videos in order by going to my digital products lesson playlist. So to recap what we've done already is we started our first digital product together, and I also included the template in that description box up under that video, but I also included in this one. And I'm going to do it step by step so that you can go in the right order. Now, the name that we discussed in the last lesson, My Awesome Gig Work ebook for beginners, we're going to add that to our digital product, and we're going to kind of close it and tie it together so that I can show you how to upload it on Pinsite. So we're in the Canva application now, and what we need to do is we need to change this template into what I want it to be for my digital product. So I went ahead and did it so we can cut in some time. So this is what I decided to make it, right? So at the top, I have my social media handle, my name. I also have my Awesome Gig Work ebook. That's what we had on the previous slide. And I also put in smaller writing for beginners. I'm going to make that just a little bit bigger. There we go. Yep. So I made that a little bit bigger. I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger as well because we want our customers and our clients, our target audience, to be able to read our ebook with ease. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. My idea list, I'm going to go ahead and delete that as well. I'll usually put it towards the end of it, but we're going to go ahead and make this ebook. Okay, so I want to download all of the pages without downloading page 6 because I haven't had an opportunity to edit it yet. So we're going to download all pages with the exception of page 6. The next thing we have to do is rename our ebook because once our clients and customers or target audience download our ebook, they're going to have to probably search their files in order to find it. So we need to name it appropriately. The name of this ebook is My Awesome Gig Work ebook for beginners. So we go to those three dots, My Awesome Gig Work ebook for beginners. And we click done and just slide it on down. So we're going to download all of these pages in a PDF format with the exception of page 6. So we're going to click the download button at the top right, and we're going to go to download. You want to change PNG to PDF print. Say all pages, we want to omit page 6. So if you had gotten your idea list and put it to the bottom, then you don't want to download that idea list PDF, or that page rather. So all the pages that you do not want to include in that ebook, you need to click it so that purple check mark is not selected. So then we go to done, double check to make sure it's saved as PDF print and the pages, and then we're going to download it. Once the PDF is finished saving, this screen will pop up on your phone if you have an iPhone, and it gives you the option to save to files. Go to Save Files, and you see at the bottom the name of that ebook, and I go to Save. This is one of the reasons why I like working from my cell phone. Okay, so there, going to exit out that. Then next, we're going to go to the Pinsite website. And what I will probably do is start a whole new account so I can show you how to set it up from beginning to end. But for this practice, what we're going to do is we're going to click those three lines right there, and we're going to go to products, and we're going to create product, and I'm going to go to digital product right here. Then we're going to name it the same name again. My Awesome Gig Work. Make sure we spell correctly. Gig Work ebook for beginners, right? We're going to do ebook, the type of product, single payment. I'm going to just do that for $7. Okay. And then products, files, visible after checkout. I'm going to go here, My Awesome. You see how it comes up? More than likely, your customer or client is going to have to search that up. Okay. And then also add cover. So I didn't, I got to go back to Canva. I didn't download this page 1 as a PNG. So we're going to go back here. I'm going to download as a PNG, and I only want page 1 for my product files, add cover image. We go to, there we go. And I want that to show, go to confirm. And then I'm also going to add the same image because it's not going to show the whole image in this right here, this preview. So I'm going to add that and I'm going to save. So my ebook has already uploaded. And then down here, you can actually add the video. Like suppose I have a YouTube video explaining the benefits of getting this ebook. I can just go here and I can put that link there, or I can just add the video directly from my cell phone. If I want to add text, I can add my text here. So what I will normally do, big book, and I can actually copy paste this description because one of the biggest questions people ask is, what is a gig? So I can post that in my description and save. And I can go to continue. I'm going to put, thank you for trusting me with your learning. And then I can even add an upsell, which is a great feature to this website. So suppose I wanted to add lesson 4, right? I'm going to delete that subtitle. And I'm going to save, continue. Now I'm able to publish it. And once I publish it, it gives me a share link. And I can share this share link up under my YouTube video or on my social media platforms to offer this particular item. And then I'm going to, let's see, for this one, I am going to market archive, I believe it is. If we archive it, let's unpublish it. I'm going to unpublish it, but you will be able to use the link in the description box in order to click on it and see how it looks on my platform. I'm going to post that link, and there we have it. Streamline. Go to continue.
And even though you see this page, it's just because I'm logged in. The people that have your unpublished link will still be able to purchase your product even if it's not published on your website. Okay, we've reached the conclusion of this lesson. So in the next lesson, I believe I'm going to go ahead and open up a new Pinsite account and kind of walk you through on how you get it set up so that we can go ahead and upload your first digital product. I hope that you're excited about this. I'll see you in the next lesson.